Okay, welcome to Projack's webinar live. This is a 217 January 16th. Let's start from the DXY. Okay, so the DXY recent move is kind of a downside move for twice. Okay, looks like it's an ABCD move. Let's just measure whether it is ABCD moves or not. So this is a potential AB leg, and we just copy it and put it down here, okay, to be more precise. All right, so it tells me that the DXY may move to 100.48. Okay, so let's mark this level. Okay, and we look left. Let's look left. What do we have in the left? Yeah, we have a very nice pivot here. Okay, and we also have another pivot here. So in the daily chart, it's very obvious to have this kind of understanding that the DXY will have some support at 100.40. This level is very important for DXY, right? Okay, so if the price really completed the ABCD move and hits this level, what we can do, guys? What is your first opinion? Can we buy? Yeah, that's right. And if you want to buy, where's the best place to place your stop loss? Or where should you actually exit the trade? Definitely you've broken this pin, right? Yeah. So look carefully when the price moves down to this zone and you can buy it. Okay, you can buy it with a positive price action. By positive price action, you can actually look into the 1 hour charts. Okay, what we have in the 1 hour charts, okay, it is sideways, right? Because it has broken the downtrend move and kind of, have a uptrend right now. Okay, however, this uptrend may be a consolidation. Okay, maybe a consolidation. So it may broke down and come down to the zone that we draw. Okay, so I don't want you guys to buy it now. Okay, but when it pulls back, when it comes down, okay, to this level, 100.40 to 100.50, this level, you can actually buy it. All right, because that is also ABCD move completion point, and this will tells you that yeah, the DXY may find some support here. All right, so this is some understanding from the DXY. Okay, let's look at the gold. Okay, gold is quite strong for the recent since December 23rd. Gold has been an upside move. Okay, yeah, and this upside move, I can say that is still valid. Okay, still valid. We have very nice ping here, and very nice ping here. Okay, and this ping bar is very good buy. Okay, buy the dip. Okay, this is how to actually demonstrate in an uptrend move. The lows are your focus point. Okay, focus on the lows, focus on the pullback to the previous structure you want to buy. Okay, so if for some guys who actually bought the gold at 1190, okay, that is a very nice move. Okay, you can take some profit because the price trying to break 1206, but failed this morning. What I can see is this is a ping bar as well. Okay, this is a ping bar as well. So this ping bar tells you that a lot of pressure at 206 above. Okay, so try not to buy here now because it is very limited move to the upside. Okay, and it is quite possible for the gold to make another move and then makes a double top and it comes down. Okay. And there's in the 4 hour chart, there's a channel, right? Okay, so this channel is also very important for the gold, all right? So you can just draw the channel. Yeah, what's that? Okay. Oh, this is your harmonic patterns in the gold, right? All right, so looks like it's possible. It's possible, but all right, let me demonstrate my opinions, right? Okay. So this uptrend channel is very important for the gold. It will actually determine that whether the gold can still keeps moving up, right? However, the gold is facing some important resistance right now. It actually is here. Okay, the horizontal structure is been this part. Okay, this part. This part is very important because look left. the daily chart, what do we have? We have the gold are facing the same level of the previous support area is here. Okay, so it's like previous 1,200 to 1,207 is a very good support, and goes to 1,003, and then comes down, pulls back again. Okay, so I'm still watching for this level to find a good place to short. Okay, however, to confirm the short opportunities, we need to wait for the channel to be broken. Okay, so the best trading idea will be wait for the gold to to either breaks up or it breaks down the channel, and find a pullback to short it. Okay, because by breaking this channel, it tells you that the termination of this uptrend move, and the price may continue to the price may find a reversal pattern here. However, in right now, do you have a reversal? Do we have a reversal right now? Possibly not, right? Yeah, it's still very strong. Okay, trying to make a higher high failed, but when it comes back, a lot of bias comes in. Okay, so right now it's sideways. It may form a sideways pattern here. Okay, so we need to make sure to wait for the gold to have some time to finish this consolidation move in the uptrend channel. And if this breaks up, especially breaks 1,220, it actually the gold will continue to move up because it has breaks this very important structure here. This is a lot of people will place their stop loss order here. If this level is violated, gold will move to 1,240 maybe, okay, or maybe 1,250, maybe to this level. Okay, so I don't want to short anymore if the gold breaks up 1,220. Okay, however, I want to make sure that the gold we can short it after it breaks down the channel, pulls back, and then we find the shorting opportunities to find a big move. Okay, all right. So let's go back to 1 hour charts. 1 hour chart, is there any harmonic patterns? Well, I don't see any of them, okay, because at this stage, I only want to see, bearish pattern because it is in a higher location. It is in a high location, okay. The lowest at 1,120 and the highest at 1,220, okay. So at this, we can we know that the gold is right now in a very high location here, okay. So in high location, what potentially is gold, we're trying to break another time, but however it failed and all the way swing back down. So this is a move that we want to focus to catch. However, in order for us to catch the short, we need to see the gold to breaks the channel. Okay, so breaks the channel is number one criteria for a short, for long-term short. All right, okay. So right now, if you don't see any opportunities, just watch the market. Don't trade. Okay, don't trade. Still not much opportunities to buy because the best part is already complete here. Okay, but it goes up to 1,210 and 1,220. Then into this zone, you may find some opportunities to short. Okay, are we good? Any questions on gold? If not, we move to the oil, okay? All right, good. Yeah, by the way, I'm in Singapore now, so I have more time to spend on the charts because recently I'm for the past 6 months I'm actually doing my own companies in Singapore, in China, to build up this education institutions in Singapore, in China. We call GT Trading Academy, and I spend a lot of time on this company. So it's very busy for me in China when I was doing my job in China, because it's very fantastic team, And now I'm back to Singapore because in the Chinese New Year, holiday. So I have been in the next coming 2 weeks, I will be more active in trading view. So just focus me on the trading views charts, all right? Okay, let's move on to the oil. Okay, oil actually, we know that we find an opportunity to short last week, right? It's actually broken this wedge, and we find time to short at 54. It comes down, breaks a low, pulls back, and just pulls back to the 618 level. And I know a lot of my students actually short here. Okay, that's good short, good catch. Okay, so as long as this part is still the resistance, I believe the oil will all the way comes down to test 50.60 again, and then if this one is broken, we go to 47. Okay, so 47 is my first target for the short. This part. Okay, if 47 is not hold, it's going to 44. Okay, so it's okay for us to take a short. Okay, by the way, you can use 1 hour chart. You can see a lot of price action shows that you see here. For those who didn't actually short at 53.48, you can take a short here because this is a very nice structure play, right? Okay, price consolidates, goes down, pulls back. So this one is best place to short, and then take some profit at this previous structure level. So now you can expect the oil may sideways in this range. Okay, it may still goes to 52.80. So if it goes there, it cannot break through, you can still short. All right. Okay. So find some opportunities to still short at the high, short at the high, short the rally. All right. So this is my view in the oil. For long-term wise, this part, I'm thinking that the oil may, to copy this move. Okay, because it's actually quite similar. It's an uptrend, breaks down, pulls back, cannot make a higher high, and forms a downtrend. So it's similar here, uptrend. Okay, however, breaks the channel, comes down, pulls back, and it may actually all the way to goes down. Okay, to form a downtrend channel. Clear? So oil find some trade to short. 53, 52.80, that is a good place to short here. Still here, this part. Focus on this part, okay? You can also use the 618 level to help you to get a better entry, which will be 52.95. Okay, so focus on this level, find some chance to short. Clear? If clear, please type 1. Okay. All right. Wow, 40 people is in my webinar now. Okay, that's good. That's good. Glad to see you guys. Oh, your broker shows WTI at the 53, right? Okay, that maybe is yeah. The oil is going to change contract. Yeah, it's going to change contract. So maybe that is the next contract. Yeah, that's true. Okay, let's move on to the euro. The euro dollar just now I put 2618 trade. This is double top, so wait for pullback the 1.0644 to short. Okay, the targets is given and the stop loss are given. Okay, so pay attention to this 2618 trade. That would be a good place to short because in the bigger time frame, daily charts, as I mentioned, this level are still very important for the euro. Okay. Didn't really break through. Okay, so DXY also find some support. So if it pulls back, you can short. Okay, so this is euro. Okay, for the sterling today have a very big gap. Okay, due to Theresa May is going to have a speech tomorrow to give some hints on the Brexit. If she actually says the UK has to, or they will, do everything they can to exit the euro, that would be a nightmare for the sterling currencies. Okay. However, from the technical view, that we already see that it actually touched the 1.272 to 1.414 extension. So I do expect the sterling will find some support here. Okay. If it cannot close below, there is potential, cipher pattern here. Okay, however, it's quite aggressive because that is a trade to trade the CD lag. Okay, I don't really want you guys to trade the CD lag, but I want you guys to focus on this range, the 1.272 to 1.414 range. Okay, this one gives you a good support zone. All right, and we do see some price action here. So goes back to the 1 hour chart. What do you have? We have a very nice ping here. Yeah, it may cover, it may fill the gap. What I feel is it may fill the gap because this gap is a novice gap because previous the study is moving down, okay, moving down, and the gap down, okay, gap down so much, okay. So this is a novice gap. A novice gap normally will be filled, all right. And what makes more important is this pink bar here. Okay, this pink bar tells you a lot of buyers at 120 level. Okay, so this gives the study some kind of a confidence. So the support is here. Okay, however, you can wait for tomorrow the speech, see whether Sterling will actually test it again. If after the speech Sterling still cannot make a lower low, you can buy it. Okay, you can buy it and aim for the gap. Aim for the gap to fill it. Okay, so that it will be a decent move of about 178 pips. Okay, so find some opportunities tomorrow after the speech. Okay, so after the speech you see the price action. You need to see the 1 hour candle to close above this yellow zone. Okay, didn't really close below, then you can start buying. Okay, and stop loss put on the recent lows. Okay, right. So yeah, sterling is quite cheap right now compared to other currencies, and I think sterling will be stabilizing this zone because previously this one is the lowest point, all right, the crash. Okay, it didn't really close below. Okay, so find some place to buy it here. Okay, with positive price action. Okay, let's move on to the dollar yen. The dollar yen forms head, and the best opportunities comes when I say there's a second time trying to break 118.50. This part is best place to short. Okay, alternatively you can short at the 618 pullback. It's here. Okay, for those guys who use the 2618 trade, this is 2618 trade as well. We have our first top, second top, breaks down and wait for the pullback to the 618 level on 7.25, and you short and you win. Okay, and you win. Okay, it's good place to short dollar yen. However, don't short it now because it's already comes down, so price level is low. What I feel is it may test this place, it may test this level, 1.50 to 1.85, this level. So the dollar yen may continue to go down to here and find some support, and if it really comes down to this place, you can buy. You can buy. Okay, where to short again? Okay, good question. So you need to wait for the pullback. Okay, wait for the pullback to short. This morning gives you a good place to, sorry, not this morning. Last week, this part is a very good place to short because it actually breaks down the support and comes back again. You can short at 115.27, but right now, don't short because we don't know whether it will break this level or not. Okay, but you can use the trend line as a guidance. Okay, you can draw the trend line here to, if the dollar yen really pulls back to the trend line, you can still short. Okay. Okay, you just wait for the pullback to short. Okay. Very important resistance right now is 115.40. Okay, wait for this. Otherwise, just forget it. Okay, just don't trade. Okay, but daily chart is actually approaching the support area here, support here. Okay, similar previous as neckline. Okay, so watch for the dollar yen to come to this place to buy. Okay, to buy the 111.40 to 112, that will be a good buying place. Okay. Okay, let's look at the Aussie. Okay, Aussie dollar didn't really break the this part, okay, this structure. Okay, so from the technical view, it's still having a equal high, okay, equal high, equal lows. Okay, so for the Aussie, it will be sideways from 0.75 to 0.7180, and it's good to do a swing trade. It's good to do a swing trade. Your short will be just stop about 7540. Okay, that'll be quite safe. Okay, so you can short Aussie, stop loss at 7540, and aim for target 1 will be 7330, target 2 will be 7180. Okay. All right, because although it's a big rally, but rally to the back to the origin didn't really close above, so the whole downtrend still don't change. Okay, didn't change. Okay, it's possible for Aussie to come down again. Okay, and similar for the Kiwi. The Kiwi is also Kiwi is more bearish because the high is continues to making a lower highs, okay, and lower lows. Okay, so we know that it's still in a downtrend move. So downtrend move focus on the highs, okay, and you're gonna short. Aim for 0.67. That will be a good place to take some profit. In long term, I think the Kiwi may reach to 0.64. Okay, because the previous uptrend channel has been broken. Okay. Okay, so uptrend channel broken, it will actually goes down. Okay, let's look at the dollar cap. Okay, the Canadian dollar finds some support at 1.3050, which I mentioned before. So you can buy it, and aim for swing trade to at least to 1.3384, and the second target will be 1.35. Okay, so dollar CAD, pay attention to this horizontal support because right now it's actually at a support and I have a very good pin bar, so you can buy it, and the stop loss below the pin, which 1.2990 will do. Okay, aim for 1.3376 and 1.3564. Okay, if breaks up, it will still goes to 1.3838. As I mentioned last time, it goes to this level to complete this 618 level. Okay. Can you zoom out and look weekly? You mean Canada? Dollar Canada? Okay, Canada. Okay, weekly is here. Okay, weekly are yeah, still in the uptrend move. You don't know whether it will end. Okay. Okay. So it's possible to goes up again and it comes back. Okay, so before it crash, it goes up again to 1.38, and that is a level to focus on to short. Okay. Yep. All right. Let's look at the SPX 500. Okay, SPX 500 last week, as I mentioned, the 2276 is a good level to short. It actually gives us a good place to, this is a very typical patterns, right? Forms a double top, second top, okay, pulls back, and you can have a very good short here. Okay, and comes down again, comes back again, can short again, and there is a good winning of this short. And right now it comes back again. Right, so but this resistance area didn't change, so the highest point is still at 2277 to 2280. So whenever the price comes back to this one, your thinking is to short and place your stop loss above 2284. Okay, so put your stop loss 2284 and you are okay to short it, because the downside move will be huge, because previously the price has been continued to break lower low. This is a lower low, okay? So which means a lot of sellers trying to push down, okay? And if this time they fail to break 2277 again, it will actually breaks all the support area, and all the way comes to 2245 to this place. So this one will be a good target for your short for the S&P. Okay. Okay. I know some of you guys trade the DAX. Okay, so DAX will be the same thing. Okay, in the daily chart, what I see is you can use the Fibonacci level as this one to measure our 1.618 extension. Okay, so this 1.618 extension tells you that the 11594 is a very critical area to look at. And look left, there is some structure here. So I know there are sellers at 1180 to 1160. Okay, so this part, if this structure is not broken, you can take a short and aim for a big crash. You can take a short, aim for 1085. Okay, that is a potential good trade to short because it already completed the 1.618 level, and you can, if you check the RSI, I do believe there are some divergence, right? Yeah, there are some divergence here. RSI, okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry, this part. Okay, the RSI is coming down. Okay, make a lower high. However, the price making a higher high. Okay, the divergence in the RSI tells you that this one is not going to continue to move higher. Instead, it may actually comes down. Okay, so find some opportunities to short the Germany 30. All right. Okay. So far so good. Anyone have any questions? Just let me know. Okay, let's talk about natural gas. Okay, natural gas is pulls very. We have a very nice short last time at the 3.70. This part, okay, using the similar strategy. Okay, our price, some support here. Okay, support breaks down, pull back in short, and very beautiful crash. And right now, it actually after the natural gas come to 3.1, and I say that wait for the pullback to short. So the best place is here. Yeah, it's this zone. Okay, it's already touched. So what you can do is you can wait for the trend line to be violated and short. Okay, or you can just short here, because I already see the price rejection here, and it's good to short the natural gas using a smaller time frame. Okay, and I think based on 15 minutes, the best place is 3.477. That is the best place to short the natural gas. Okay, if the price ever comes to this zone, you can short, and stop loss is above this pain will do. Okay, and so wait for the pullback and short, and can carry to 3.33, and also the next target will be at the low, previous low. That will be a very nice risk reward. Okay. All right. So, any questions? Any other pairs you want me to look at it? I think we have covered all the major markets. Hang Seng, right? Hang Seng. Okay. Okay, let's look at the Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng, the daily charts. Okay, it pulls back to 21500 and then comes back again. However, this one tells me it may still goes down. Okay, may still goes down because didn't really break the previous high. So, well, it's kind of making a top, okay, but this V shape is very, very, very strong, okay. If you want to short, better wait for this level to short, okay, or you must use the Fibonacci level to find some place to short. Okay, it's 23280. Okay, Libra pattern, right? Yeah, Libra pattern. We completed this level. Okay, so if you want to trade the Libra pattern, yeah, you must wait for 20400. Okay, copper. Okay, copper right now, yeah, it's a beautiful rally. Okay, after it actually comes down to this part, and I think one of our students do a garlic pattern to catch the move, which is very nice. Okay, so you can take some profit for the long. Okay, but don't expect the copper to break the high so easy. Okay, so right now what you can think is it is still a sideways market. Okay, it is a very wide range. Okay, the high is here, the low is here. So anything can happen. Anything can happen. You can swing back to here. You can test the previous high. However, if you look at the 4-hour chart, you will find some good scenario to look at. First of all is the recent rally. Okay, this channel is very narrow. It's very narrow, so it's very easy for the copper to break this channel. Okay, so if the channel is violated, you can take a pullback and a short again. You can take a pullback. Most likely will be 618 level to short, and aim to 255, 2.55. Okay, and because you know that the previous structure, this one is still very important. Okay, and actually test it. Okay, so what I'm waiting for is the price to broken this uptrend channel and find a pullback to short. Okay. Sterling yen, right? Okay, sterling yen has a very nice drop, and I think in 1 month ago we short at 140, right? We short here 140, and now this trade making 1,000 pips move, right? Which is very nice gain. Okay, however, you can take some profit right now. Okay, in the daily chart. Hong Kong 50, already analysis. Yeah, already it's passed. Yeah, the Hang Seng. Peter, you just finished the one. You missed it? Okay, for the sterling yen, what I'm thinking is you need to pull down the Fibonacci level. Okay, 133.80 is that's the best place to buy. Okay, best place to buy. Okay, and to catch another move. So wait here, see the price action, and buy here. Okay, if not, you may short when the gap is closed. You can take a short at 139. Take a short if the gap is filled and didn't really goes up, and short again. Okay, and aim to 123.80. Yep. Okay, I think that's all for today. We have covered all the markets. So the DXY is potential ABCD move. Sterling is cheap to buy after tomorrow's meeting. The Aussie is good to short. The gold, look for the trend to be the channel to be broken to short. The oil already have some reversal signals, so yeah, find a rally to short. Natural gas you can short after the channel to be broken. So a lot of trading opportunities. So my advice is to trade the one that is you're most familiar with and trade it with your plan. Apple, okay, Apple, right? Okay. Okay, the Apple, right? Apple is in an uptrend move right now. What I see is the price has just breaks a high, so it may all the way goes up to 124. It may goes to 124 again, right? ABCD, okay. If you think that this is ABCD move, wow, that would be too big. Yeah, because this ABCD move will give you a very high target. Okay. Well, but I think the opportunity is still to buy the dip. Okay, buy the retracement, and hope it can go up again. Okay, but this level is very important. 123.82. A lot of sellers. Okay, and you can use the inverse Fibonacci extensions. It may tell you it may goes to 126.55, the 1.618 extension. Okay, and if you push back the Fibonacci level are similar view. So wait for the apple to comes into this zone, and you may take a short. Okay, you may take a short when it comes down to this level and take a short. Starting Canada. Okay. Okay, starting Canada. In the weekly chart, it just breaks a low. Okay, however, it touched the previous structure here. I think it's good to buy, but buy with caution. Okay, buy with caution because it may still continue to move to 1.52. So right now it's 1.58. Still have 800 pips moved down. So if you want to buy, really, you need to buy with care. Okay, you don't want to just enter in a weekly chart. In the daily charts, it's kind of gap down. If the field, okay, so you need to mark the level. Okay, 1.59.45. If the price come to this level and cannot go further anymore, you may take a short again. Okay, it may still goes down because it's still a downtrend move. The downtrend move didn't change. Okay, it's continue to make lower low. Okay, and lower highs. So try not to buy the selling cat. Okay, uh, unless you see a double bottom here. Okay, Nikkei, JPN 225. Okay, Nikkei is good to short because kind of for the former double top, right? Yeah, and I remember last time there were some students says there's a good patterns for the Nikkei. If I remember, yeah, this will be a bad pattern. It is a bad pattern. Yeah, 19428. So yeah, the bad pattern is working and kind of a formal double top, and there are I'm bearish on the Nikkei, so it may still goes down to 100,000. Okay, so the Nikkei may go to 18,000 to the previous neckline here. Where you can short and carry your short all the way to here. Okay. All right. So that's all. Okay. It's almost 45 minutes. We covered a lot of things. Sure. Yeah. And for guys who are in Singapore, I'm trying to organize a session with IG next week before the Chinese New Year, but not confirmed yet. I need to ask the time slots availabilities. So once I confirm, I will tell you guys in the group. Okay. Yeah. All right. So welcome. So thanks for joining the webinar. Do tell your friends to join the next session if they have time, and this is my website, and our Pro Trader course is still available. Okay, so you can take up my course and to receive my constant service, and also their support from their in the students group. Okay. Yeah, so all of the students we actually are being guided in our group, and our group is really, really very, very powerful because right now we have almost, that is, 88 people here. Okay, that is a good, very, very good family. Okay, so you can take out my course and join the group. So learn the strategies to find some good quality trade and trade on your own, trade with your plan. Okay, don't listen to others. Don't trade with the news, trade with some kind of inside news. Okay, trade with what you see, and with good strategies, with correct stop loss settings and profit taking levels, and have a good expectation on the chart. All right. Okay, thank you guys. I'm going to end it here. Have a good day. Bye bye.